Okay, so welcome back. Now that we've got our domain name pointing to our web host, everything's good. We punch in the name, the domain name up top, .com. Our web page comes up, our temporary web page. So what we want to do is we want to learn how to log in. So to log into any WordPress platform, it's going to be how to create a website in profit.com or whatever your domain name is, /wp-admin. Okay, so this is the administration area. It's going to bring up a window where you can put in your username and your password to give you access to the administration area where you can do all the behind the scenes stuff on your WordPress site. Okay, so punch that in and click enter. Now this there's a lot of this happening now too, is that there's an extra level of security that a lot of these places, these web hosts are adding, so that when you do put in the WP-admin, they're asking you to put these details in first, because they want to confirm that you're not some sort of script, automated script or robot that's trying to hack into the server, right? So this is just an extra layer of protection. And then the screen that comes up after this is going to be where we're going to enter our username and where we're going to enter the password that we created when we installed WordPress. Okay, so that information that I said to write down and record, your username and your password, we're going to put that in a minute. But this, if you read this here, so it's saying WordPress attack protection. So it's talking about WordPress attack. So this is an extra level of security. So it's saying enter username blank. So don't put anything in for the username there. And then password, the result of math. So 4 plus 3. What's 4 plus 3 for the password? So 4 plus 3, 7. You put that in and it should give us access to the username and password information. So we hit that, and there you go. So this is the screen that you want to be on to put in your details, the username and password that you had created when we installed WordPress. And like I said, you should have recorded that or wrote that down somewhere, or if you put your email address in there, they would send you the information, those details. But you always want to make sure you got access to that. Okay, keep it somewhere safe. So I'm just going to put in my details here. And then it should log me in. Obviously you can't see my password because I don't want to advertise that. It's always hidden anyways, but I don't want to advertise that to everybody on this video, of course. So then another suggestion is the remember me thing. I'm not a big fan of that. I wouldn't necessarily use that because that's just giving an opportunity for that information to be stored somewhere on your computer. And if you ever had a virus or somebody was hacking your computer, they could get access to that information potentially. So I don't use those typically. So you hit login and it should log us into the administration area. And there you go. So we're in the administration area. And we're going to do a video on that in a few minutes. Okay, and we're going to go through some of these details here and explain how things work and get a little bit more involved in the back end. Okay, thank you.